back at you with another video. We're going to try to keep this under 10 minutes if possible. In today's video, we're just going to go over some price movements, some stock gains, some stock picks, things of that nature. As you can see here, starting off, we got Tesla hit a 52-week high today. Tesla is the EV company, of course. Everybody should know that. I'm very big in Tesla personally. Like I said, I'm gonna try to keep this video short, so I don't want to go too in debt. Then we got some dividends paid out for today on the 31st. This is in the Robinhood account. As you can see, ICE paid me 14 cents. Then you got TAN, CCI, SPHD, LTC, ArchQ, and NextGen NXTG. Then we got some more payouts today in the Robinhood account. We got ARKW at 24 cents, ARK K, ARK F, GLAD, ARK G, NOBL, and AVGO. I will make at the end of this month, which probably tomorrow, I'll drop a dividends video showing exactly how much dividends I made last month in all in December. This here is just some Tesla gains I had today. This initially was a swing trade I made a while back. My profit was $14, so I took my principal out of the stock, left my profits in. As you can see, my $14 has turned into $109.55. So my total gain is $95.55, and that's off a $14 investment. This here is just a prime example of how a little bit of money can turn into something a lot more, over the course of time. So for the guys with the smaller portfolios, I wouldn't be discouraged or think that, just because you don't have a lot of money to invest, that you shouldn't invest, because if you do it long enough, you'll see the results and you'll see the gains. Then in my Cash App, I had some dividends paid out. Big Lots, 23 cents. You got T-Row, Newmount Corporation. This is Webull. You got some dividends paid out. 61 cents, 3 cents, 6 cents, 8 cents, and 40 cents. Companies MGCs, ICLN, QTUM, and FIVG, which is a 5G play. Then in my Webull account, we got some dividends here. We got CEQP, 63 cents. You got EA Sports, SAR, SPY, which is tracks the SP 500, NRZ, CIT, SDIV, SRET, and SAR. We got some dividends here in Stash. You got long haul bonds, 44 cents, inflation defense, short term, big business bonds, mid term, stock nationwide, blue chips. All my dividends are on drip, so they all will be reinvested. This here is in my public account. You got Vanguard Total Bond ETF, Vanguard Development Markets ETF, Bank of America. You got Spiders ETF for the S&P 500, iShares Select ETF, Dividend ETF, iShares Trust ETF, and an iShares S&P Growth ETF. Then you got Raytheon Technologies, Purdue Financial, Tyson Foods, Next Era Energy, Realty Income, WBA, which is Walgreens, Skyworks, Coronos Worldwide, Inc., Johnson & Johnson, Tractor Supply, iShares, 13-year Treasury Bond ETF, Vanguard Total Bond. And then we got some dividends paid out. I can't remember exactly which portfolio this is out of, but you got 18 cents here, there's 63 cents here. Oh, this is out of my Moomoo account, that's right. Then we got 23 cents, 16 cents, 40 cents, 34 cents. This is out of maybe my Charles Schwab account, I believe. You got a MARX, 1 cent, EA 17, BTI, Cisco CSCO, Main Capital. This is out of M1. We got Union Pacific, Public Storage, T-Row, Goldman Sachs, Domino's Pizza, Nike, and BBEU. Then some quick stock picks. We got ETF For the S&P, it's a biotech ETF, so all the top biotech companies out of the S&P 500 will be included in this ETF. This is something I'm going to swing trade. Biotech is really huge, and I love the S&P SPY ETFs. Great diversification and great low risk, low volatility. Then we got an iShares NASDAQ biotech ETF. Love iShares, ticker IBB. This is also going to be something I swing trade as well. Then we got LABU, Dexron Daily S&P Biotech Bull 3x share. So this is 3 times leverage in the biotech sector. Dexron has very good ETFs as well. Then we got ProShares. I love ProShares as well. This is a S&P 500 ETF, ticker UPRO, UPRO. Then we have ProShares Ultra S&P ETF, ticker SSO. Next stock pick is UCO ProShares Ultra Bloomberg Crude Oil. So this is a exposure to the oil sector, energy sector of the market through an ETF, plenty of diversification, and at a low risk. You know, it's not going to fluctuate very much. Then we have a semiconductor bull ETF, ticker SOXL. We're going to add to the watch list to be swing traded as well. Then we got Gush, GUSH, a Dexron Daily S&P Oil and Gas ETF. So the best oil and gas companies out of the S&P 500 are going to be included in this ETF. Then we got ticker FAS, a daily financial bull. So this is going to be the best financial companies out of the that are in this ETF, like banks and that such. Then we got Altrex, ticker AYX. Tilio, ticker TWLO. This is something I already own long term. Just added it right back to the watch list. Gonna swing trade it this month. Then we got iShares South Korea Fund, EWY. This will give you exposure to another market outside the United States. You always want to get like Japan, China, Europe, Canada, Africa, and so on and so forth. And I like to use the ETFs for the diversification as well as, you know, low volatility. That'll be it for this video. I'll come back with you guys with another video, maybe more in depth on the stocks that I'm picking, as well as some more price movements, price gains. And I will be buying 17 stocks as well, and I'll post that video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell. Feel free to check out any of these tickers that I posted here, and whether they be dividend payers or price movements or, you know, my stock picks. Go ahead and take a deeper dive, look at the fundamentals of these companies, look at the balance sheets, and so on and so forth, even the technical analytics, if you know how to read the charts. I can pretty much guarantee you everything that I jump into is going to be, you know, A1 share, and I try to diversify and get, you know, companies that everybody else isn't getting. I mean, I have all those companies as well, and I'm up, you know, on every portfolio that I'm in. So obviously, you know, my stock picks are doing well, and I'm not just buying anything and everything, but I do like to spread the wealth out with plenty of diversification. So maybe I can help you guys find something that you haven't seen. So I'll see you in the next one.